this happened to you? You're driving through a neighborhood that you've worked in for 10 years, and there's your competitor sign in a yard that you quoted last month. Apparently, you lost this job, and you're thinking, was it price? Was it timing? What if I told you it might have been something simpler than that? Something that takes 2 minutes and costs $0. Hi, I'm Gail from Map Your Biz, and today we're talking about the single highest ROI marketing activity most contractors completely ignore: responding to your Google reviews. So the problem is, and most contractors do this, they try to hustle for reviews, which is what you're supposed to do. They ask customers at the end of the job. That's all good. Maybe they send a follow up text. And when the reviews come in, 5 stars, great feedback. They read them, smile, and move on with their day. So here's the problem with that. According to Google's own support page, and I'll quote, when you reply to customer reviews, it shows that you value their feedback. Positive reviews and helpful replies can help your business stand out. So that's just not me talking. That's Google on their official business profile help page. So let's get into the numbers. Every stat I'm about to give you is from a published study that you can look up yourself. First, the BrightLocal Local Consumer Review Survey for 2026 found that 41% of consumers now always read reviews when browsing for local businesses. That's always. That's up from 29% just last year. So if you're doing some math, that's 13%. Oh no, that's 12%. Apparently I can't do math. Um, People are reading reviews more than ever. So the second amazing stat is that 97% of consumers read business responses to reviews. 97%. That means when you respond or when you don't, nearly every single person looking at your profile notices. And here's the one that should really get your attention. A Search Atlas study from September of 2025 analyzed over 3,200 local businesses and looked at what actually drives rankings in the top map results. Among the top 10 local search results, here's how the ranking factors break down: proximity, how close you are to the searcher. That's 36%. You can't control that. But review count, that accounts for 26%. And review keyword relevance, meaning the actual words in your reviews, that's nearly 23%. Okay, so here's some math. The review count and the review keyword relevance, meaning those keywords in your reviews, those two together are 49% of why you rank in the top 10 or not. So basically half. And that's the half that you can do something about. The proximity, which is 36%, you can't change that. You can't change where you are, where you work from, and you can't change where people are searching from, but you can change your reviews. All right, so let's translate this into something you can actually use. Here's how I'd rank your marketing priorities if you're a contractor: an HVAC company, a remodeler, a landscaper, a plumber, or any home service provider, mobile mechanic, cleaner. There's a huge list. But priority one: respond to the reviews you already have, every single one, the positive ones and the negative ones. It costs nothing but a little bit of your time. And based on the data we've looked at, it's the most direct signal you can send Google that your business is active, engaged, and worth ranking. So priority two is generating new reviews that contain those keywords. So when a customer says, "Thanks for the great kitchen remodel in Squim," that's SEO gold sitting right there. You want reviews that mention your service and your city, because Google reads those words and uses them to decide what searches you show up for. Priority three is to optimize your Google business profile. So you have to complete every section, you have to upload real photos of your work, keep your hours accurate, Profiles with photos get 35% more clicks. That's huge. Okay, so priority number 4. Once you've completed 1, 2, and 3, then and only then, look at running paid ads. Because a Google ad stops the moment you quit paying for it. A Facebook ad is over once you're done paying. But your Google business profile and reviews, they live on forever, and they'll keep working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. See the order here? Most contractors do it backwards. They jump straight to ads, they skip the free stuff, and wonder why their cost per lead keeps going up, 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 up. Okay, so now I want to pause and talk about something that BrightLocal survey surfaced this year that I think is really important. So slow or generic review responses, things like "thanks for your review," um, those, when you just copy and paste that like 50 times, consumers are increasingly seeing that as a red flag. It actually works against you. They're looking to see if you're a real business that pays attention. Because, people don't buy from the best contractor. They want the one that seems the most reliable and trustworthy. And here's the truth: a business that responds to reviews ranks higher than the ones that let them sit in the dark. So, what does a good response actually look like? So, let me give you a template that you can use today. If someone leaves a 5-star review that says John and his team did a great job on our bathroom remodel, don't just say thanks. Say something like, "Thanks so much, Sarah. We loved working on your bathroom remodel in blank city. If you ever need help with a kitchen or another project, we'd be happy to help." Why does that work? 3 reasons. 1, you used their name. That shows it's not a bot. 2, you repeated the service, bathroom remodel, and the city. That reinforces the keywords for Google. 3, you opened the door for future work by mentioning the kitchen. That's how you turn a review response into a lead. For a negative review, and you will get them, respond within a week. The same research shows 53% of customers expect a reply to a negative review within 7 days. So acknowledge the issue, don't get defensive, and offer to fix it offline. You do not want to debate your service or their complaint in public. Future customers will see a business that owns their mistake and tries to fix it. That builds trust. So let's talk about what this is actually worth. If you're a contractor and an average job is worth, pick your number, 3,000, 5,000, $10,000, and you're in a market where the top 3 Google Maps results get the majority of the calls, the difference between ranking 3rd and ranking 7th can be the difference between a full schedule and scrambling for work. Now, factor in that reviews, the count, and the keyword relevance together make up nearly half of what Google considers for those top 10 spots. And responding to reviews is free. Every response you don't write is a lead you're leaving on the table. So here's your action item for this week. Go to your Google business profile right now, find every review you haven't responded to, doesn't matter if it's 6 months old, and respond to it. Make it personal. Use their name. Mention the service and the city or the neighborhood. It'll take you maybe an hour. And going forward, respond within 48 hours of any new review. Make it a habit. So take just one thing from today's video, put it into practice in your business. Your business will thank you.